and welcome to the Expo.
I'm Dr. Tim Glover. I'm the superintendent of the Grosse Mountain Union High School District, and we're at the Manufacturing Expo for East County. This is important to me because this is a great opportunity for our community and for our students to kind of see of all the different ways to be employed out there in East County.
My name is Dave Scott, and I'm a feature reporter and meteorologist with KUSI Television. We just came over to do the big expo, the Manufacturing Expo, that really features all these great companies out here in East County.
Taylor is a spot for people with all levels of experience. We reach out and we're kind of involved in different parts of the community.
So, part of this manufacturing expo is that you get to see all types of manufacturing. There's hands-on manufacturing, mechanical, and this robotic. There's underwater manufacturing where you build underwater basically.
And all of that is assembled right here in East County in El Cajon.
If any students are interested in manufacturing, just get your foot through the door.
It's a great opportunity for people to start, planning out their future.
The main thing you got to do is just do what you're doing right now and keep that rolling, and then kind of figure out what you'd love to do.
I'm just a high school student that is looking to get ideas about what type of engineering and manufacturing opportunities there are.
Whatever work that you find, it's something that you really want to do. You'll be successful in it and you will make money.
Manufacturing in general is critical to what we do. We take it for granted that all these products and items are out there for our use, but they have to be made by someone, somewhere.
Manufacturing just builds the parts. If you need a door, the engine rooms and everything, we're the ones that build those.
When you get into manufacturing, the greatest part of that is what you're creating, you're getting to see what that is.
And East County has a very large manufacturing group, and many folks don't realize that there are internationally based corporations right here in East County.
El Cajon's got a lot of manufacturing going on here, and so I want to be able to know the people I'm dealing with and be able to go over and talk to them, have lunch, deal together, make it work.
This is a great opportunity to come and see some of the different manufacturers, to talk to them about what are the necessary requirements and skills and certifications to be in the manufacturing field.
So the more that you do it and the more that you tell people that you love doing this, the whole world will come around and support you.
Familiarize yourselves with the manufacturing community around you. Look into apprenticeship programs. There's a lot of apprenticeship programs that a lot of kids don't know about where you could start getting on-the-job training and making money right away.
So just remember that it takes more than just 1 year to be able to make it up the ladder. There's always going to be opportunities to move up through that organization or other companies.
There are plenty of opportunities to work here in East County.
Whatever you decide to do, make it something that you really find interesting and fun and that you enjoy.